Here's a question. Is Iran playing a double game or maybe trying to buy some time? Yes, that is the question now echoing through Washington, Tel Aviv, and global intelligence circle. Because while nuclear talks between the US and Iran are still alive, there are growing whispers that something very different may be happening behind closed doors. Publicly, Iran is talking about diplomacy, right? Tehran says it is willing to continue the negotiations here. It says talks are important. It says solutions are possible. But there's a catch. Iran's top diplomats have delivered a careful, calculated message. Progress will only happen if America proves that it is serious. Trust must be rebuilt first, and Iran will not negotiate under military threat. Simple words, right? But in global power politics, those words carry heavy pressure. Why does trust matter so much here? Because the history between Washington and Tehran, it is filled with broken agreements, sanctions, confrontations. Iran believes that past deals collapsed because of shifting American political decisions. In fact, the US believes Iran has repeatedly pushed nuclear limits in secret. Both sides say that they want peace. Both sides double each other, and that makes every negotiation extremely fragile here. But here is where the story gets more complicated. Inside Iran itself, there is growing disagreement. Not between enemies though, but within Iran's own leadership circle. One group wants talks to continue. Well, these officials see diplomacy as a chance to ease economic pressure. Iran's economy that is facing years of sanctions, trade restrictions have slowed down, and oil exports have been heavily monitored. But for these leaders, negotiations are not weakness, they are survival. They believe talks in Oman could really open a new path towards stability. But another very powerful group is far more suspicious. These voices are linked to Iran's supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. And their warning is sharp. They believe negotiating with Donald Trump could be dangerous. They argue that expecting a win-win outcome with Washington is unrealistic, and they fear that talks they could trap Iran into major concessions, and that too without any long-term guarantees. Now, this internal split, it is now shaping Iran's strategy. On the surface, Iran appears cooperative, calm, diplomatic. But inside, debates are intense, strategies are divided, and mistrust towards America remains extremely strong. And this is why some analysts are raising the alarm bells. They believe Iran could be using negotiations for multiple purposes: to delay international pressure, to observe American political strategies, to strengthen its own technological capability quietly. But there is no clear proof of any secret plan though. But global intelligence agencies are watching closely, because nuclear diplomacy is rarely just about talks. It's about timing. And yes, in the meantime, the US is walking a very delicate line. Washington wants to prevent Iran from moving closer to nuclear weapon capability. But it also wants to avoid triggering another Middle East conflict, and that balancing act, it is becoming harder with every round of negotiations. Israel is also watching the situation, by the way, and that too very closely. For Israel, Iran's nuclear ambitions are seen as an existential threat. Israeli leaders have repeatedly warned that they may act alone if diplomacy fails. Now, that possibility adds another layer of global tensions to an already fragile situation. And then there is a global picture as well in the end. The Middle East remains one of the world's most militarized region, right? Missile systems are active, naval forces are deployed, alliances are shifting. Now, if nuclear talks collapse, well, the consequences will not stay limited to Iran or the US. Energy markets, regional security, and global diplomacy, it all could be affected. Right now, negotiations continue. Diplomats still meet, messages are still exchanged, statements still promise progress, but beneath those diplomatic smiles, well, there is a deep question and growing suspicion.